Hello and good morning. Today in this video, let us see the parameters for marriage, which is the main Karatattva of the 7th house. We shall see the parameters of arranged early marriage, arranged delayed marriage, which is prevalent in India. 95% of our population are still under arranged marriage. Either they prefer the arranged marriage or they are forced in by their parents to an arranged marriage. In the coming videos, let us have the parameters for both of them. Let us look at early marriage or an arranged early marriage. Ascendant of the moon having a PAC with benefic planets Venus, Jupiter, Moon. Mercury is benefic when alone or when associated with benefic planets. The terminology PAC means posted, aspect or conjoined. The 7th house having a PAC with benefics. Venus is the Karaka for marriage for both male and female, having a PAC with benefics. Navamsha lagna in a benefic sign. Now, Navamsha plays a very important role in marriage. We always have two charts when we put a software on astrology. The one chart is called the Rashi chart or the D1 chart, and the other chart is called the Navamsha chart and the D9 chart. In bracket, they will write the word spouse. Navamsha is a very important chart to be observed at all times. Navamsha gives us three main ideas. One, where the Navamsha lagna is posted with respect to my Rashi lagna. If the Navamsha lagna is posted in 6, 8 and 12, along with being malefic signs, that is Aries, Scorpio, Capricorn, Aquarius are malefic signs. Leo becomes a malefic sign when it comes to consideration of marriage. In the Navamsha, if 159 is associated with Aries, Leo, Scorpio, Capricorn, Aquarius, there will be a question mark in the parameters of marriage. So, Navamsha gives us 1, the quality of my spouse, 2, the quality of my Rashi chart, okay, because the planetary positions, whether there is an what is called friend's house, enemy's house, exaltation position, best friend's house are the qualities of the planet in the Navamsha. It indicates how strong the planet is when we are especially looking at a Dasha. If the Dasha planet is strong in the Navamsha, we can definitely expect more positive results. Thirdly, it also gives us our standing in the marriage or our standing after marriage. My financial situations, my relationship with my family and with my husband's family or wife's family, my financial conditions, my happiness, my sadness, my children, my gains, and my properties, etc. is read from the D9 chart, whether it is a male or a female. The D9 gives the condition of the native after marriage. So, it is a very important chart to read the marriage. When you read the marriage. Navamsha lagna having a PAC with benefics. Dasha and Bhukti having a strong link to both 7th house and 7th lord. Now let us look at delayed or late arranged marriage, ascendant or the moon having a PAC with Sun, Mars, Saturn or in Rahu Ketu axis. The 7th house having a PAC with malefic planets. Venus Karaka having a PAC with malefics. Here Sun will not be considered a malefic if he has a PAC with Venus, because Venus and Sun should not be more than 30 degrees away. If they are more than 30 degrees away, there is a delay in marriage. The reason behind it is Venus is the Karaka for marriage. Sun is the Karaka for Atma. Venus, being the Karaka of marriage, unites two Atmas in marriage. Therefore, Venus should not be far away from Sun. Navamsha lagna in Rahu Ketu axis. I have explained the Navamsha lagna. Malefic signs are Aries, Leo, Scorpio, Capricorn and Aquarius. Navamsha lagna should not be in malefic signs. Navamsha lagna should not have a PAC with, or should have a PAC with malefic planets. Dasa and Bhukti does not have a strong link to the 7th house or the 7th lord. Now in my next video, let us look at the parameters of a love marriage, divorce and the double transit, which makes up the complete 7th house Karatatvas. Do like, share my videos. Follow me at G3 Astro. Signing off, Gayatri. Have a pleasant day. Bye-bye.